Hey guys, just to let you know, if you haven't checked out parts 1 to 4, then you should check them out because we're going to be making a part 6 soon. But yeah. So, we are going through a pandemic right now and it may be hard because you can't really see friends or family. I personally don't have any friends, so I'm fine. Yeah, don't worry about me. I'll survive watching Scooby-Doo. Ugh! I love Tom and Jerry. But anyway, I have to make another one of these videos because, duh. Lesson number 1. Now I'm going to start this off with a very stupid lesson. It doesn't really help, but you can literally watch TV all day, every day, if you're off in the pandemic. And the princess, I don't even know who she is. We're going to introduce her in the video.
Does that look interesting to you, Tom? Wondering what's in it? I'll bet you are. Well, what you know is it's not for you, buddy. This is something very important, so keep your paws off it.
Okay, hold on.
Yeah, all 4 of them. You know what they say, curiosity kills.
Yeah, lesson number 2 is that, actually spend time with your family, even if you're too busy watching Tom and Jerry or Nickelodeon, with the Furry Odd Parents, even though it ended like 4 years ago. Something I cannot remember. So yeah. Lesson number 3 is even inside wear hats and gloves. Yeah. And that was the last lesson because I can't even think of any more. But watch part 6. We're gonna make a part 6.